Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add two numbers using JavaScript function. This is a very simple example which is going to be beginner friendly. So the very first step would be to create a function. So with the help of the word function keyword, we are going to name our function as addition and proceed with the syntax. So since we want the numbers to be dynamic, we're going to pass two parameters, a and b. And inside the function, we are going to proceed with the operation. So suppose const sum is equals to a plus b. And then we are going to console the sum. Console.log and yes, the sum. So this is the function definition. And while calling this function, we're going to pass two arguments as in the values, suppose 3 and 4. So when we run this file, we see sum at 7. So we can just modify the value and see for negative number also, it will work fine. So that's how we can add two numbers using JavaScript function. If this video helped you understand JavaScript better, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more coding tutorials. Thank you for watching.